Gamer yun. Okay, go. Kaya nakita siya. Okay. You check directly. This is the chargeable wireless. Okay. Oh, ayos. Bah. Okay.
Ano yung 100?
Ko rin alam. Baka 100 full charge.
Ano ang computer niya?
Ito lang. Yun.
Ano sama?
Inclusion are. Okay, goods tayo dito. Guys, goods tayo guys. Kompleto guys. Working guys, working. Ito guys, yung cake. Pag binili mo guys sa St. Martin yung cake guys, $15. Dito sa Philippines, it's free.
That's free?
Yes, this is the cake. Let's see the quality. Let's check. It's an ordinary cake, but
Anong tawag mo dito?
flipper, razor. Okay, ma'am, upo na po kayo. Gugupitan ko na kayo, ma'am. Okay. Ito. Nice. Wow. Purple pouch. Check it. Wow. Amazing. Okay. Ba? Okay, ma'am. Tipit lang po kayo, ma'am.
How much?
How much to? Yung ano yun? Ang alam ko, bili ko dyan 1,000 plus. Ito 400.
Okay.
Yung box, mura lang yan. 90, 100. Kaya ang sabi ko sa'yo, babe,